students, I welcome you all to my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi with the same chapter Ratio and Proportion. And today we will be continuing with the topic saving and expenses based question, or we can say income based. So this is the type 6, but here we will be discussing part 2, that means the saving is different for the person which is given. So, income of A and B. The income for A and B is given to us 4:5, or we can consider 4x, 5x. And expenditure ratio is also given, that is 2y, 3y. Right? If B saves, B is going to save how much money? It is, according to the equation, it can be 5x minus 3y also. Right? But according to the question statement, B saves 1/4 of his income. So his income was 5x. So this is the saving for B. We know the expenditure also for B, right? If 1/4 of the amount has been saved by B, so of course 3/4 of 5x has been spent by B, which is already given to us in the question, equivalent to 3y. Let us simplify this, and this gives the ratio of x and y, which is 4:5. So the value for x will be 4a and value for y will be 5a. Quickly we will be multiplying here. So this gives me 16a and 20a, which is going to be the income for A and B. Then we have 8a and 15a, which is going to be the expenditure for A and B. So 8a, 15a. Now the saving for B is going to be 5a, which is of course 1/4 of 20a. 1/4 of 20 is 5. So 5a, and 3/4 of 20 is 15, which is the expenditure of B, and 8a. So A is going to save half of his salary. Out of 16a, he is spending 8a and rest of the money has been saved by A. But B has saved 5a, which is 1/4 of his income. So we have to find the ratio of their saving. So 8:5 is going to be the answer for this particular problem. So this is so easy. You only have to read the question very carefully and start writing it step by step. Okay, let's move to another example. Income of A and B is in the ratio of 4:5, and expenditure is also given to us 3:7. If B saves 1500, B is going to save how much money? 1500 out of his income, which is rupees 5000. Income for B is given to us, that is 5000. So 5000 will be equivalent to this 5x. Why? Because that is given to us in the question. According to question, the ratio value says 5x is the income for B. But in the question it is mentioned he is going to save 1500 out of 5000, which he has earned out of his income. So x value is going to be 1000. So from here we can easily get the value for the income of A and B, which is 4000 and 5000. They both are earning 4000 and 5000 rupees. Their monthly salary it is. Their income it is. Now B is going to save 1500. If B saves out of 5000, 1500 has been saved by B. So how much money has been spent by B? Expenditure for B we are calculating, not saving. This is saving given to us. So 3500 is going to be his expenditure. And this 3500 should be equal to 7y, because according to ratio, the value for expenditure is 7y. But in terms of this, we are getting 3500. So value for y will be 500, which I can multiply here to get the value for the expenditure of A and B. So 1500 and 3500 is going to be the expenditure for A and B. So out of 4000, which has been earned by A, 1500 has been spent by A. So he is remained with 2500, and 5000 minus 3500 is going to give me 1500. What we have to calculate? We have to find the ratio of their saving. So A is going to save 2500, B is going to save 1500. We can easily do the cut short here. So 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. 5:3 is going to be the ratio of their saving. Now, this question you have to simplify and give your answer in the comment box.